Hello freedom traders, this is your boy Collins FT. Again today guys, we're gonna do something different. We're gonna do something special. We're gonna test our strategy on the September 11, 2001. Let's see how the market behaved that day. Let's see how the market will react to our strategy if such an event do happen. As you can see guys, I say it all the time when you are doing your technical analysis. This is actually that period. This is September. This is September 2001, and as you can see, there is no major move. There is no big moves. There is no big actions. Uh, though this is the weekly, you might go to the daily and you'll find big actions. But as you can see with the daily, with the technical analysis, it's always for me, it's always the best option because whatever happens, the market will still fall back and still perform as it was supposed to perform. Events will only push the markets up and down, but at the end of the day, it will still perform same. So if your technical analysis are right, always 80%, you're gonna make profit for sure. So let's backtest guys and see how the market did behave on that day. So this is September 17, this is Monday September 10. So let's go to September 3rd and then go to daily. So this is Friday. Oh, okay. So let's try to forward it a bit. September 20. So this is September 11, guys. Very funny. The market was well, of course, Euro USD was bullish. Of course, the US was attacked. So something did happen, and it was a negative effect on the US economy. So obviously, uh, all the pairs on which the US dollar is a minor were bullish on that day. So, like for example, the Euro USD. So there is nothing like the movement. The day was just a regular day, and it even gave a very good signal on that day. So as you can see, if we start from this day, there is not gonna be it's not gonna be anything uh, different. So when you are right with your technical analysis, unless for scalpers and even day traders, yeah, with day trading, yeah, you can always check the fundamentals, check for main events, yeah. But if you are a swing trader, you don't need to check those stuff like all the time. And there are people that will trade without ever checking fundamentals at all, and I'm one of them. I do check, but not like all the time. So as usual guys, we do our we put our guards, and you see, so it's back testing, making sure we do trade the market as it was on this time and period. So back testing remains the most effective way to practice the market and master your trading skills and your strategy. So as usual guys, we put the levels. We start by putting the levels, key levels, where to enter, where to take profit. We check our demand and supply, our support and resistance. After that, we are good to go. Yeah, so it was basically kind of here. Yeah, so that we know that if we are selling, we are taking our profits around this area. If it's actually gonna sell, we will be taking our profits right down here. Yeah, so we can manage. If we are selling, we can start managing from here. That is if you don't wanna you don't want the markets to reach, you don't want price to reach maybe almost 15 pips to your take profits, then it goes back. So you better make it like this, uh, like a lot of levels, so that you don't miss anything. You can get win little. So right here, we are expecting the market has broken this level. We are expecting the market to hit this level up here. So whatever we are doing now, we are looking for buys. So we have a second buy signal here, because this was already the first buy signal. This was the first buy signal. It broke. When it breaks like that, remember guys, you don't buy. When it breaks like that, you don't buy. You wait unless this one was an engulfing candle. Unless this one was a bullish engulfing, then you can buy from here. Then it breaks and continues and hits up here. But since this one was not a bullish engulfing, and this one actually broke a momentum, so no problem. We know the market is going to go up, but it's not actually going up right away from here. No. So always it will come back and retest. It did retest and even gave us a sell signal also, but we cannot start selling here because it's above the moving average and we have a buy signal, so we cannot just start selling. So actually it's giving us a second buy signal, which is actually it's a nice one. Yeah, it's actually a nice one. I think we can just enter, but knowing that this is actually our second choice of a buy confirmation. Yeah, this is our second choice of a buy confirmation. It's not our first choice. So, but we still go with it because it actually came out very clean. So let's go, guys. As I said, this is the first signal. It told us the market is gonna go up. That's why it broke here with a very huge bullish momentum candle. But we don't just buy, we wait for the market to retest and give us a second buy signal. It gave this buy signal, so we were supposed now to wait for a confirmation before we buy. But the thing is, this is a good signal. This is a good buy signal also, so we can just enter. And knowing though it's a second choice of our buy signal, but we just enter. Yeah, now is the confirmation. That is the confirmation, guys. This is now the confirmation. And let's go. This is where we were supposed to buy. We were supposed to put our buy, but already we did put here, as I said, is because this was very clean, and it's the reason why I did put early. So with this one, we can then push our take profits to the second level, but yet we're still going to take first profit here before looking if the market is going to reach the second level. So let's go, guys. Oops. So this was not the expected result, so we still had to stick to this one. We still had to stick to this sell signal that the market gave us already, But these situations, these are the type of situations the market act uh, in a way that we were not expecting. So it is what it is. With this now, this is where we were fooled. Not actually fooled, we were following our rules and principles. But I did mention this one, that actually we cannot buy here because the market even gave us a sell signal, which is this one. That is a sell signal. And there is no way we could start selling here because it was still above the moving average. We could only sell if the market is already at this level. But the market did behave in a different way, and it sold. Okay, it sold and hit. You see the way it behaves when it hits a level. So it sold, hit that level, and let's see how it's gonna do. So we are in the negative. So again, guys, we cannot give up. This is another buy signal. This must be an event. As I said, events, they will only happen, and they will always happen. And this was Tuesday, September 4th. Let's give a quick check and see what happened on that day, because the market did move in such a way that it was not supposed to move. Okay, let's see if unfortunately with this one we have to only click like this. There is no way we can just edit directly, which is not cool at all. Yeah, which is really not cool. It's gonna take us the whole time. So but uh, this is fundamental. This is 100% fundamental. Yeah, something did happen. This is not even on the day of the bombing of the towers, but something did happen. This was on Tuesday, and the towers were being bombed on I think same Tuesday, but the next week. So, anyways, we still follow our strategy. We still follow our strategy and our setup. We don't give up, because if you changing your strategy just because of one movement, then you're gonna get confused at the end of the day in the market. So why am I putting this one? It's because there is another buy signal. Though this is a huge indication that the market is going to sell, confirming this one, uh, there is still no confirmation here, because again the market has given us a buy signal, same as it did here. It actually broke here, but gave us a sell signal. We didn't sell because we believed on this one. It's the same thing that happened here. They actually sold, but we cannot sell because it gave us a buy signal. So this time around, let's buy. Okay, so we can then add more positions here and see how it's okay, guys. What we lost from here, we already get back here, and we are in much more profit now. Yeah, we are in much more profit. When the market will hit here, we're gonna look and see. Okay, when it gave us this is a sell signal as well. So this is where we're supposed to get out. I didn't check this one out. So this is something that will lead you to get out manually when you see a candle like this one. It leads you to get out manually. You don't wait for the market to hit your target before you get out. You just better get out manually. Yeah, you get out here. Getting out here already, you see that we already get back our loss here. We are already in profit, and even getting out here, you can still re-enter. You are just getting out because you saw this one. You can still re-enter above here. Or if the market reaches here again, you can put your buy stop here again. So whatever the market is doing here, you are already out. It's none of your business. You put your buy stop there and you wait. Or if you see another buy signal here, you can enter and continue. So guys, this is it for this one. This was a good lesson for us, and good thing we ended up in profits, because even if you are still here, you got out here, you are still in profit. Yeah, I mean, even removing the losses you got here, because we did lost, uh, as you can see, what we lost here and what we gain here is like times two of what we lost. So we are in we are in profit. Even if you got out here, you're still in profit. So it's been a good one, guys. And the good lesson we learned here is follow your strategy. Always follow your strategy. We couldn't sell here because we had a buy here. So the market taught us a lesson. The market said minus the reason, minus having a buy here, I can still sell, and it sold. So as it sold here, it gave us another candle like this one. But since the market already taught us a lesson that hey, I actually broke here, I gave you a sell signal, you didn't sell. Now I'm giving you a buy signal, so you should buy. So that's why we bought. So as we bought, it went our way, and we are in profit. We got out in profit. So thank you guys. This is the week of the September 11, 2001. As you can see, uh, this is actually the day. Yeah, this was Tuesday 11th September 2001. It actually gave us a signal, and that is it. Though the economy was really strong, because even with the bombings, it still tried to catch up here. So thank you guys. See you again the next session.